Hi, I'm Mike from Craft Supplies USA, and today we're going to turn a Junior Zen Pen Kit. Here at Craft Supplies USA, we have a large selection of premium pen kits. Today we'll highlight the Zen and the new Junior Zen pen kits because of their unique style and single tube design. They're very easy to turn because they only require one tube, which is easy for every turner's skill level. The most unique feature of the Zen pen is the magnetic cap. It attaches with strong magnets that hold the cap securely on either end of the pen. The original Zen pen is a nice pen kit, but can feel a little heavy if you use it for long periods of time. However, we now offer the Junior Zen pen, which is perfect if you don't like all the heft of the original. It's a smaller, slimmer version with the same features that make the Zen so popular. Both pens are offered in several high-quality platings, and they each use a high-quality Schmidt rollerball ink refill for smooth and comfortable writing. For today's project, I'm going to turn a chrome Junior Zen pen with a Bianco Nero TrueStone pen blank that turns and finishes like acrylic. Both the Zen and the Junior Zen pens turn the exact same way, but they do require different drill bits and bushings. In this video, I'll cover the basics of turning a Junior Zen pen, but if you want more detailed instruction, check out our other pen videos that we've linked in the description below, along with all the products used. Now, as far as supplies go, we'll just need a pen blank, a Junior Zen pen kit, an 11/32 drill bit, a barrel trimmer, bushings, and some standard pen making supplies. Let's start with a blank that's a 1/4 inch longer than the brass tube. Now mount the blank into a set of pen drilling jaws so we can accurately drill on the lathe. This step can also be done using a drill press. Before drilling, square the end of the blank with a skew. Then make a dimple to center the drill bit. With the lathe speed around 750 RPM, drill an 11/32 hole all the way through the blank. Make sure to clear the chips frequently to avoid heat buildup. Now we'll prep the tube for gluing by scuffing up the brass tube with some 220 grit sandpaper so the glue will adhere better. Next, apply some thick CA glue onto the brass tube. Then insert it into the blank, making sure to rotate the tube to spread the glue evenly. Spray some activator onto both ends of the blank to cure the glue. Use a vise to safely hold the blank, and barrel trim both ends of the blank until the brass shows. Mount the pen blank on the lathe using the Junior Zen bushings. And bring up the tailstock. Turn the lathe on and set the speed to around 2500 RPM. And start by roughing the blank to round with a spindle roughing gouge. Now turn the blank to your desired shape, and for the Zen pen, I prefer a flat profile which is easy to turn and looks great. Once the blank is slightly larger than the bushings, I'll sand through 600 grit with sandpaper. Then I'll wet sand with micro mesh through 12,000 grit to remove all the scratches. Now I'll apply some plastic pen polish for a durable, glass-like finish. Once you're happy with your finish, assemble the components using a pen press of your choice. Now that we're all finished, we've got a Junior Zen that really pops. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest in woodturning. And if you'd like to turn a Junior Zen, click right over here.